get a brief introduction of yourself?
Sure. Hello, my name is Salamoid. I came from Ethiopia, and this is my son Nathan. We came to India for a cochlear implant.
How and when did you find out about his condition?
We found out the condition he is hearing loss after the age of 5. He was able to speak and to communicate, but after some time, he just was not able to respond while we were talking or while we were calling him. So after that time, we tried to investigate going to our hospitals. So we found out that he had a profound hearing loss, and our doctor recommended to have his implant, his hearing implantation cochlear implant.
So why did you choose India?
The reason why I chose India was because I had a friend of mine in my hometown, and he had the experience of his daughter where she was by around the age of 2. She had the same case, and the cochlear implant was successful, so that I had that recommendation and I chose India for the successful.
How did you connect with TreatmentPossible?
This was the guy, my friend, who had his daughter having the treatment. And as we all know, India is famous for having successful medical surgeries, treatments from other countries, like relatively. It is at the top point. So I tried to investigate different places, but I found out that it is a better place, so I chose India.
How was your experience planning your trip to India?
The plan to India from the beginning, from the visa invitation letters or the hospital assistant, and like the picking up from the airport, things were arranged by the hospital. So we had a better support from all the colleagues there. So it was very holistic.
So how was your overall experience during the treatment process?
The reason why I'm happy is because I have seen the results. The result was successful. Not only the results, the primary investigations, like the evaluations, the tests we did for my son was so helpful, and I found it so nice. So I'm happy for that.
Would you like to mention any good experience you had during your treatment?
Sure, there are good experiences that I had. For a foreigner to come to some new places, it will be a bit confusing and we need support. So from the airport, the hospital arranged like cars, and there were people who were supporting us and assisting and guiding to go to different places in the hospital for consultations and different evaluations. So I really appreciate an international patients department for this support.
So did you get any other assistance or support?
Other assistance they support if includes like having the local SIM card for me to communicate with all people necessary for me while I stay in India, and for accommodations and other things. They were also so supportive, and I hadn't faced any trouble and any problem because of his extra support I have received from this.
So would you recommend TreatmentPossible to family and friends?
Surely, not till I go back to my hometown. Still, I am recommending my friends, all other people who are facing the same problem or the same medical situation for the little kids and also adults. It's nice to visit India and to the hospital for this, where I have got a successful surgery and treatment for medicine. So that would be my recommendation for my friends. I will ask him, like his name, he will be responding. This is the cochlear implant, and he's doing very nice. Primarily, he was not able to respond whenever he hears any sound, but now we can see his reactions. So we can see this. Saman. So he's saying like in a Lohan, country language. So I can hear now. So it's a good progress, and we are happy for that.
Very good.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you for everything.